today's going to be another breezy or windy day depending on where you are. We're also looking at brighter sunny skies and scattered showers, the heaviest of which will be in Scotland and Northern Ireland. I'll have all the details coming up. Morning to you too. If you're stepping out today, or in fact for the next few days, probably a wise move just to take an umbrella with you because the weather is remaining unsettled. Today we're looking at sunny spells and scattered showers. Some of those showers already have been heavy, even the odd rumble of thunder in Scotland with some snow on the tops of the mountains. But you can see in the radar where we've had the showers, this line here of patchy light rain is a weather front that is sinking south and will continue to clear through the course of this morning. But we'll hang on to a bit of cloud across West Cornwall and also the Isles of Scilly through the day. Now, to the north of that, we're looking at some drier conditions, some sunshine, some showers across northwest England, Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland, and also into northern Scotland as well. But they should tend to ease across central and southern Scotland through the afternoon. It's going to be another blustery day, and at the moment, it's pretty windy across Northern Ireland and southwest Scotland. Temperatures ranging from 7 in the north to 15 in London. Now, through this evening and overnight, we continue with the showers across northern areas and watch this band of rain come in from the southwest through Wales into the Midlands and also East Anglia. North of that, there'll be some clear skies, still quite brisk winds, and these are our overnight lows. 2 degrees, maybe 3 degrees in Aberdeen to about 10 degrees. So tomorrow, still keep that brolly handy because we still have this rain across southern parts of England and Wales. We've got showers in the far southeast. We've got further showers across parts of Scotland. But in between, you can see drier conditions, brighter spells, brisk winds still in the north, but not as blustery further south. And these are the actual winds we're looking at tomorrow, the sustained wind speeds. And the temperatures tomorrow up to 13 degrees, so down just a touch on today. Sal and John.
OK, Carol, thank you.
It's a Category 5 to start with. The sustained wind speeds of this hurricane currently are around 175 miles per hour. Now, it's a slow-moving hurricane. It's moving north-northeast at 2 miles an hour. Because it's so slow-moving, you can imagine the deluge of rain that's going to come from it, leading to flash flooding, to landslides, for example, not to mention the strength of the wind. So some catastrophic damage is expected from this hurricane. And if we take a look at the satellite picture, you can see quite clearly the eye is defined here. There's Jamaica, there's Cuba, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. So it is going to continue to move northeastwards as we go through the day. And as we go through the next few days, still hurricane warnings in force for Cuba, also for the Bahamas, where it's expected to cross or at least be close to by the time we get to later on in the week. Now, that's the weather in the Caribbean. Closer to home, I'm glad to say it is a lot quieter. We're looking at sunny spells today and scattered showers, some of which will be heavy. Some of them have already in the Highlands been thundery. We also do have a weather front moving southwards across the south of England, taking its patchy rain with it. We'll see remnants of cloud across West Cornwall and also the Isles of Scilly through the day too. But the showers persisting across Northern Ireland, Scotland and also northwest England, some of them easing off in the afternoon. Similarly so across central and southern Scotland. We should see some sunshine, but it's going to be a blustery day. And if you're stepping out this morning in parts of Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland, we've got really gusty winds. Temperatures 7 in the north to about 15 as we push further south. Now, heading on through the evening and overnight, the showers continue across the north of the country. But watch this band of rain just scooting in from the southwest across Wales, the Midlands, into East Anglia. Now, there will be some clear skies. It still is going to be quite blustery overnight. These are our temperatures. So 5 degrees by the end of the night in Aberdeen, but it will be lower than that for a time under the clear skies. And we're looking at 10 to 12 as we come further south. So as we head on into Wednesday, we still have this low pressure starting to pull away, the dregs of the weather front in the south. And this is what's coming out of the dregs of that weather front, all this rain, some showers in the far southeastern corner, but a lot of dry and bright weather, some sunny spells, still some showers. And where we've got this weather front wrapped around the area of low pressure that's moving into the North Sea, we're likely to see further showers, but it's not going to be quite as blustery. Temperatures looking at about 8 in Lerwick to 13 in London, so down a touch on what we have today. Then as we move on through the course of the week, on Thursday, still some dry weather to start the day with some sunshine, but the next area of low pressure is coming in. The cloud builds ahead of it, and then in comes the rain, and the wind strengthens as well. It's a good idea this week just to keep your umbrella close to hand, because at some stage you're likely to need it. These are our temperatures: 9 in Lerwick to 14 in Cardiff, 15 in Plymouth and St Helier. Now beyond that, it gets a little bit milder, but it still is going to remain unsettled. We've got areas of low pressure coming our way, so at times it will be wet and windy, really, wherever you are. Sal and John.
Carol, you say it so nicely. Thank you very much. It's going to be a bit
Thanks,
rubbish
Sal.
everywhere.
Yeah.